is our herb garden. We have a laurel plant here, or a laurel tree. Maybe you're more familiar with bay leaves. That too. This smells so good. So this is laurel plant where you get laurel leaves, dried laurel leaves, or like dried bay leaves. And then here is my favorite herb. This is lemon verbena. It smells so good. You can make tea with lemon verbena, or you can, I like to garnish a pompano with this one. I garnish our pompano with lemon verbena. Smells so good. So fragrant, and look at how pretty. This is fennel. These are fennel flowers. This one too. We have lemons and calamansi. They all smell so good. I'm cooking mung beans with bitter melon and bitter melon leaves for our lunch. Mung beans with bitter melon. Yeah, and pampano too. Boiled pampano. And then for the protein, for the mung beans, I'm using this like pork with tomatoes. I'm just moving this here. Let's make the dipping sauce. Lemon and calamansi. And then soy sauce. Put the lemon here. And I am boiling pompano. Let's garnish the side with like lemon. Lemons on the side. Lemon verbena. Nice, right? Plastic. And then I have this on the side. I don't know where to put it. Here's the pompano. Here's our pompano. First batch was for the neighbor, and this is for us. Let's add the bitter melon leaves onto this mung beans. Mung beans like stew or soup or soup. This is our mung beans. It's more of in between like soup and stew. And this is our pompano. And lunch is ready. And here's our lunch. Beans and pompano. We're here at Seafood City. This on the fish here. I got the pompano. Here's our haul for now. Pandesal from here. One second here. Turon. Saryoka. Nasawa na ako sa saryoka.
Hi.
Bibingka. Bagong luto.
Bagong kadasan? Oo.
Bagong luto yung ano. Bagong luto ang pandesal. Ay, yung bibingka. Pande ube.
Ito. At saka dalawang tao.
Regular po. At Chowking. A quick haul of the stuff that we got from the Filipino market. We haven't tried this. Seaweed cracklings, and then squash cracklings, and then I am cooking sinigang tomorrow. So we have this sinigang mix, more for pandesal, a dozen pandesal from Valerios. From Valerios, we got chicken tamales, and then this, we're giving this to the neighbor to try. This is pan de coco and then the ube. Pan de ube. Oh, husband also got cheese leaves for pandesal. What else? Oh, from Chowking, got bola chow. Josh wanted two taho from Chowking, and this is for me. The taho. My husband got this one too. I think this is for fried rice. And then sky flakes. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. I think the bibingka here is different from bibingka in the Philippines. This is more of like cake.
Yeah,
No?
I think that's how it is here.
Harvesting calamansi. Husband's calamansi harvest. A lot of birds right now. Yellow lilies. Look at this. Let's get this one as well. So maybe I need to put this together. There you go. Lilies. Husband's calamansi harvest. For lunch, I'm cooking baby back rib sinigang. Now I need to add the taro. And then radish next. Tomatoes and radish. And then sinigang mix. While sinigang is cooking, I will clean up the hummingbird feeders and replenish with water and sugar mix. Three feeders. I have 4 cups of water here, and I need a cup of, this is half a cup of sugar. So 2 of this. This is half a cup. We bought this just for the hummingbirds. I will do this hummingbird sugar, and then wait a little bit while I continue cooking our sinigang. Eggplant, pepper, and okra. It's overflowing now. I think I need to. Oops. Don't want it. And then string beans. And then the last ingredient, ong choy or kangkong or water spinach. Or maybe like 1 second. Let's add this later. And lunch is ready. Baby back ribs sinigang or sour soup. Let's eat. It's our sinigang. So it has eggplant, pepper, yellow pepper, okra, string beans, radish or daikon, taro, and then the baby back ribs underneath, and tomatoes too. So It has a lot of vegetables. I can hear the hummingbirds now. They're probably looking for the feeders. So this has been thoroughly mixed. So I'll put most on this one. There you go. And then this other one goes in here. And this one goes in. Sarado pa itong mga to. Ay, yung favorite namin yan eh.
Ay, ganun.
Yung ano, meron silang mga seafood.
Kalabasa? Kalabasa! Kalabasa! Hi! Happy to see my cousin!
Me too, after like
A long years.
After
Long
28 years.
28?
Hello, marmalade. Thank you. Thank you. And this is mine.
Anything else I can get for you, ladies?
I'm having French toast. I'm having French toast. And the army is having
Smoked salmon with scrambled egg. Huh?
Now we're going to Barnes and Noble.
Jesus. I'm still looking for a souvenir. Magpapa-beauty kami.
That's marmalade cafe where we had breakfast. Thank you. Drink. Here's Ate Armin's drink.
We're enjoying our tambay time. Cheers!
I'm having strawberry filled latte from Calamansi.
Well, I'm gonna taste this one. Hello! Ay! Sabay pa! Ayan.
Josh.
Oh, see you soon, Josh. I'm excited to meet you also.
Now we're walking at the
We're
park.
having fun!
Cousins bonding.
Yes, cousins bonding. Last time, kita, let's make, let's have TikTok.
TikTok.
TikTok. Ang ganda dito, ang sarap, malamig. Basta, ang ganda. Thank you, Le. Ako, TikTok ako. So now, we're going to pick up
Josh.
ang gwapong Sunny Leslie.
You're fast. You're so quick. James is in here. I'm trying to get the fastest record time by myself. Want to do that? No, mommy. You want to? No, actually.
Touching hands, reaching out
To Bankano. I'll check out their dessert. Husband wants to get dessert, so let's try to check it out. Bankanam Thai.
Drive southeast.
It's
Then
17
turn left
minutes
toward
from
China.
Hollywood Boulevard. I like the restaurants here except for that one. I gelato and dessert cafe. And this one is Tonang Thai. And this one is Thai too. But I'm going to this place. Bankanam.